Hello everyone, welcome to my channel delhitarot.com, and these are your monthly readings for the month of November 2020, and I'm doing the reading for Sun, Moon and Rising sign of Capricorn. Now I'll be pulling up few cards for your career and finances, business for the month of November, few for your love and relationships, and few for your health. Along with the tarot cards, I will be pulling up few cards from your animal spirit oracle, from your divine card messages, and few from your energy aura as well. And these are the general readings, my dear friends. So please pick it up what resonates with you, and please leave the stuff which is not resonating with you for others to get into. And I want to thank you personally for liking our video so much in the past as well, and subscribing it. And just a request, please put on your notifications if you are subscribing. That will be really a good support to us. So we are ready. Let us do your spread. Okay, let us start. Lovely spread, I must say. Okay, 2 for your career and finances, 2 for your love and relationships, and 2 for your health. I am getting attracted towards one more card. I'll pick it up, this one. I'll take it as a clarifier card as and when my guides will tell me to open it up. Okay, so let us start with your career and finances. My dear Capricorn, please note you have two major arcana cards. One is the Hermit, another is a Strength. My dear friends, my heart goes out to you. Hermit says you have to move into the self introspection. Don't have a moment right now. Don't plan any job shift. Don't look for any business opportunity to open up with. Whatever you are handling, you have to hold that stuff for the time being. If there is any job opportunity, if there is any new deal coming up, any new project coming up, put it on hold for some time for your self introspection. The Hermit says that goes within, and whatever has happened, you need to analyze that first. So have a self introspection of your journey, whether you are in job, in any of your projects, in any of your business. Go inside your thought process. Hold yourself. Look deep within and see what you have done in the past and what better can be done into future. The other major arcana card is the Strength. My dear friends, this sounds to be a tough time for a lot of you people. Please maintain your inner strength. Please maintain your inner patience. Your inner patience at this moment is very, very important. Now, since these two are little difficult cards in major arcana, especially for this area, so I will definitely open up this clarifier card right now. What a lovely card we have come up with. It says Four of Coins. My dear friends, Four of Coins is a confirmation to Hermit. It says, don't move. Whatever is happening, let the time get past. Strength says you need to have patience. Strength says you need to maintain your strength. Whatever is happening, if there is any ups and downs going on, if you are not liking something at your workplace, in your business, please don't change anything right at the moment. Don't make any changes at your job front, at your career front, or at a business front. Please pass on this time with little patience and strength. Even Four of Coins also says that yes, you will acquire good wealth, but right now you need to stay stable. Movement is not recommended at this point of time. This is a double confirmation when I saw Four of Coins with the Hermit. And now let us move towards your love and relationships. My dear Capricorn, the month seems to be difficult for a lot of you, and please count me in when you are, when you are reading this reading for yourself. My angels and my guides, I will definitely pray for all of you. Even in love and relationship, you have Three of Swords, my dear friend. So probably there could be a little breakup or a temporary breakup or you must be experiencing little gap from your spouse or partner. So this is really tough time when you talk about your love and relationship with your partner. However, the other card is again a major arcana card. So it is a magician, and which says that you have all the resources to get through it. You have all the resources to get moving everything. You have all the resources to work out on anything. If you have decided that you would like to still go ahead with the relationship, you can do it. And if you want to move out of the relationship, you can still that do as well. You have all the capabilities to do whatever is your choice. So this is a really a tough time. November is a tough time when we talk about your career aspect, or when we talk about your love and relationship aspect. However, we just witnessed, three major arcana so far. You can have a look again, my dear friends, and I will do this reading as an extended reading for my dear friends. So far, you have three major arcana cards: the Hermit, Strength, and the Magician. So you can expect major changes at your personal and professional life. And let us now have a look at your health, my dear friends. Lovely. You have nine of coins and you have four of swords. This shows that whatever communication is, communication issues are going on, whatever concerns are going on, mentally, physically, emotionally, that will soon come to an end. So what I'm sensing is that by November end, you can definitely presume some changes at both the levels. The changes will be more satisfying at the personal level, emotional level. You will definitely see relaxation by November end. And when you talk about health, try to give little time to yourself. Please take some rest out of your busy schedules. Don't push yourself for stuff. Take rest, take gaps in between. I can really see from your reading that you are going through a lot of tough times in your professional and personal life. I'm sure little rest will definitely give you good support. And let us pull a few cards from your animal spirits, my dear friends. Let us see what you have for your November 2020. Angels and spirit guides, please show me clearly what is happening with my dear friends Capricorn. We are ready. And let us pull one card. Lovely. Moth spirit, and it says surrender now. Can you just imagine the confirmations to all the cards, please? And it says, the spirit says, surrender. You need to have patience. You need to have strength internal. And my dear friends, when you surrender to the divine, you see miracles. And the magician card is a confirmation that when you will surrender, you have all the resources to manifest whatever you want. So, in case you want to manifest anything in your personal or professional life, please surrender. Take a picture of this card and just remember, surrender to the situation, to the divine, to the universe in your personal and professional life is going to really show miracles in the coming months. So now let us move towards your divine angel cards. And since this is little tough reading, my friend, so I will pull two divine messages for you all. A bonus card from my side. Okay, let me see. Guides, please guide us. Please show clear divine messages for people here. Please do tell me in the comment section what is happening with you. I would love to hear from you what transformation you are going through. Okay, we are ready. I'll pull two cards as I suggested and I shared. Okay. Lovely. Connect with nature. You are rejuvenated and inspired by spending time outdoors. So while you surrender, please take this card in continuation. Have a Go for a walk, spend time more in nature, spend time your time near flowers. Many times flowers also give healing energies, so be near to flowers, and I'm sure it is going to support you, and it is going. Apologies, it got disconnected in between. So I was telling that along with the surrender, now you have the healing card. So when you will go for the healing in the nature, you will definitely be healed and you will feel more surrendered. The second card is also the related card, which shows emotional healing, and it says, as your heart heals of old emotional pain, you receive new blessings and new love. My dear friends, believe me, surrender to your situation is going to give you tremendous results. It is going to give miracles in your personal and professional life. While you say that you're surrendering, a lot of healing will be self done, and a lot of healing which you require at the emotional level will also be done. And let us now pull few cards from your energy aura oracle as well. Let me see what we have from your energy oracle. Okay, we are ready, and let us see what we have. Action, lovely. So while you surrender, you will feel calm, relaxed, rejuvenated, and later on, you can definitely plan an action for you. Plan an action for your career and business, and plan a soft action for your relationship to have a fruitful life. All the best, be blessed, and let me know in the comment section that what all changes are happening with you. All the best, be blessed.